Let's quickly make some aloe vera mayo for natural hair. This is what I use for my baby's hair, and it makes her hair silky soft all the time. So let's go. So in today's video, we're going to be needing aloe vera, some aloe vera stems. So I got it from my plants. So I have some aloe vera plants in the house. So I got it. So we're going to be using it. I soaked it for about overnight, just so that it can take off some of the issue that comes with aloe vera. So after this, yeah. So what I do is I go ahead and start, taking out the edges, just so that we can get the gel. So, but just before we are done with that, okay. So if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. My name is Mary Matt, and on this channel, I talk about nutrition and everything in God's principle that will help you better your health. So, but today I decided to make this video because I do this all the time for my baby's hair, and I was like, oh, why can't I just make this and post it on my channel for my people, just so that they can do it and see. Okay, so if you're a natural hair lover, or you're somebody that keeps natural hair, this is something you really don't want to joke with, because natural hair tends to break out very quickly a lot and make it dry and start breaking. So to avoid that, you need the hair to always be moisturized and soft. So, and I do this for my baby's hair. I'm going to show you guys my baby's hair after this. In this video, her hair is very long, and she's just barely 3, and her hair is really long, soft and healthy and thick. So everybody that see her hair always comments on the hair and ask, what are you using? So I make this video for you guys, just so that if you're a natural hair lover, you can do this, and you will honestly see the difference. So at this time now, what I'm doing is I'm taking out the flesh. You can do different method. You can either cut it into 2 to do the man, depending on what you want to do to get out the gel. Any method, as long as you're getting out the gel. This is my gel now, and we are just starting. Okay, so let's keep going. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use I have a chopper in the house, so I'm going to be pouring it. So I can decide to use my feck, but I don't want to use feck because there's a method I want to achieve. So I'm going to be using my chopper, just so that I can use it. So whip it up and mix it, that's to give it the consistency that is running. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be. So if you have a blender, you can go ahead and use your blender, depending on what you have. So, but this is what I usually use for this aloe vera gel, aloe vera mayo gel. That's what I usually use. So what I do now is, after blending it, I take it out and I sieve. Man, this sieving is a whole lot of work on its own. Hey, you will squeeze and squeeze the life out of this thing. So what we want to achieve is, we want to take out all those anything ready-made that is remaining in the aloe vera. Because if you don't do that, what happens is that when you're done making it and you apply it on the hair, it will leave those particles, and it's so hard to get it off your hair. So if you don't want to struggle with getting it out of your hair, you need this particular procedure. You cannot skip it. So it's a must. Take a lot for me to do this, so I'm going to be skipping it and editing it. I'm going straight to the point. It takes me a while before I could achieve and squeeze everything out of this. Like, I squeeze the life. When they say squeezing, I squeeze it. It takes a lot, but I'm done now at this point. Then I'll go ahead with the next stage of the aloe mayo gel that I'm going to be. So after this, now what I'm doing is I'm going to be doing this. I'm going to be mixing it up. But before I do that, please don't forget, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up, and if you're a natural hair lover and you want me to do more other videos of what makes my baby's hair to grow healthy and strong and longer, please drop in the comment section, let me know. And if you do make this, let me know if you make it. So now I kept my already squeezed aloe vera gel aside, and what I'll be using vegetable glycerin. As you can see, I'm supposed to use 1 spoon of vegetable glycerin, but because of the consistency of the mayo aloe vera I want to achieve, I'm using 2 spoons, 2 teaspoons like this. That's what I'm going to be using. So that's why I use there. And after I'm going with my gal gum. That's what's going to give me that thickness, and that's going to give me that thickness for the aloe vera gel. So I added my gal gum and I just mix it up a little bit, just so that everything is mixed up before I can go ahead with the next stage of the video. Guys, this procedures, this method, is one of the best I've seen so far, when it comes to my baby girl's aloe vera gel, aloe vera mayo gel. I actually call it aloe vera mayo gel because it gives me that mayonnaise consistency. Give me that mayonnaise consistency, and I don't joke with it. I always have it. So I mix this very well to avoid any lumps. You need to mix it very, very well to avoid no matter what the lumps, because if it add lumps, you will see it will reflect when you add the next stage of this, when you mix it into your aloe vera gel. So at this stage now, what I do is that I mix it into my aloe vera gel properly and point to my aloe vera gel properly, and I'm going to be mixing it. So I'm supposed to use fake, to mix this. But remember, we have a consistency that I want to achieve in mind. So I'll just mix it up a bit with my spoon and go ahead and use my blender to mix it. And after using my blender, this is the consistency we arrived at. And what happened is, we are not done, guys. So what happened is that after using my blender and I pour it out here, I'll just mix it a bit for like maybe 2 minutes up to just give it that hand mixing. So I'll be adding in just about a little spoon of German plus for preservative, to preserve it. So this is very, very thick, and aloe vera gel is ready, and our aloe vera mayo gel is ready. So guys, you can go ahead and use this immediately and start using, or you can store it for as long as 6 months in the fridge, because remember we add preservative sugar, which is the German plus, into it. So either I put it in the fridge or not, but I prefer to leave it in the fridge, just the down part of the fridge, I can keep it for 6 months depending, but it doesn't even stay up to 6 months because I use this thing almost every time for my baby's hair, because I don't like to see her hair dry out. So I like to keep it moisturized, soft, and to be soft and silk all the time. So guys, go ahead and use this. Let me know if you make this in the comment section, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. This is my baby girl's hair. I'm just here to massage it. This is what we do.